Hey folks, this is Sai from Toast Personalization. Today we are going to review one manifestation product called DIY Sanctuary from site Advanced to Offer. The Advanced to Offer is a new affiliate marketing brand. So first we'll go to a site, then we'll look for the product and then how the product is described. So let's look for the product on the site. So what is DIY Sanctuary? DIY Sanctuary guides consist of survival techniques for anybody aiming to thrive in hard outdoor conditions. Basically, the guide covers survival services when dealing with typical obstacles on the planet, especially an emergency. It provides user advice on how to remain safe outdoors, particularly during the time of the global COVID pandemic. On the pandemic only, the COVID-19. The guide includes basic and effective techniques that will make life a lot easier throughout difficult times. What a DIY Sanctuary program for the Survivor Sanctuary guides equips users with strategies on how to conquer crisis and emerge victoriously, and is best for newbies alike. It uses a simple way to prepare for emergencies or worst case circumstances. After all, mastering proper survival methods will be available in inconvenient when camping outdoor. It also enables one to live harmoniously with others. Pros of using the DIY Sanctuary guide: electrical power generation throughout an unanticipated crisis like a cyclone. Power supplies can get overwhelmed or might get down when it is possible to live without electricity. The guide offers instructions on how to make an inexpensive and reliable source of energy. The step-by-step guide are easier to execute and no one can use old cars extra parts. Basic language. The other advantage of using this guide is the truth that is written using easy language. All the guidelines are laid plainly for using and understanding easily. It makes it easier to comprehend the details through just a fast read, just like I'm doing off. And excellent investment. This guide provides an important understanding that stands to test to me. Knowledge acquired from this guide will make it much easier to make it through hard conditions. Expensive while cost is relative. After reading the guide, it is easier to understand why it's affordable survival guide. In other words, it is dependable, durable, inexpensive, versatile, and easy. Yes, it is inexpensive. Goal achievement: by following the pointers in the guide brilliantly and enthusiastically, it will be more easier to accomplish important survival adjustment skills. The guide will allow anybody to hold a crisis quicker. And I would like to tell you the price of this product called DIY Sanctuary. Survival Sanctuary is the other name. Is $37 only. Like I did the last product called Survival MD, it's the same price, and it's also coming with a 2-month return back policy that is of 60 days. You can buy from here, and a 60 days return policy is provided by this site only. And I would like to tell you that all the products we are reviewing are top quality products and are never going to be based on a fake review. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe, then you will never miss an update and can view the video right after uploaded. Leave it, like, comment down below that if you're going to give it a try. Till that time, it's a goodbye. See you all in the next video. Thanks, bro.